Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a cold process soap, a rice water cold process soap. To make this rice soap, you can do it in various forms. You can use rice water, you can use rice milk. So today I will be using rice in the form of the milk, and we are going to be making the soap. Now this is very good for anti-aging benefits, to tighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to give you a younger looking skin, a better complexion, a lighter complexion. So you have a lot of benefits with rice water or rice milk if you're using it to make your soaps. So we'll quickly start with the making of the soaps. For these advanced soaps, we cover all these during our workshop. So anyone interested in joining the workshops to learn how to make these advanced soaps, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. The basic cold process soap formulation will be shared for all the beginners. It's going to be a beginner formulation for all the beginners who would like to try out making cold process soaps. So we'll quickly start with the making here. Now here in my bowl I have my blend of oils. I have taken a combination of different nourishing hard oils, soft oils. I've taken a blend of butters. You can take any oil of your choice, whatever you wish to feel like adding in your cold process soap. Here I have my lye water solution now, which has already been mixed and kept for almost 2 to 3 hours for it to come to room temperature. For people making cold process soaps for the first time, please watch my video on how to handle lye safety rules, how to mix your sodium hydroxide, which is also called lye, in water. So you all can go through those videos. The link will be sent in the description box. This is for beginners. So here I have gone ahead and already dissolved my lye in the water, and we have a solution like this. And this is my rice milk, which I'm going to be using to make the soap. So now we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making. So here in my blend of oils, I'm going to go ahead and add my lye water solution. And we'll go ahead and give this a blend. I've gone ahead and given this one blend here just to combine everything together. And I will now go ahead and add my rice milk to this. And we'll go ahead and give this a blend till this reaches trace. Okay, so now this has started to reach a very thin trace. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go ahead and add my titanium dioxide solution, which I had mixed with my oil and kept it. And we'll give this a... So now this has already reached trace. I'm just mixing the titanium dioxide in this well. And now we are going to go ahead and add our fragrances to this. So I have taken a combination of Japanese cherry blossom and peony, and we'll give this a mix. And we'll go ahead and pour this into our container. Now this has already reached a thick trace, so keeping this for a longer time would cause a lot of difficulty in pouring it into the mold. So make sure you all are always pouring your cold process soaps in the mold at the right time, otherwise it will be very difficult to set the soap. Okay, so I've gone ahead and poured the soap into the mold, and now we'll give it our design. This is optional. If you don't want to give it any such designs, you can just leave it plain as it is. Okay, so I've gone ahead and given this a very simple design on the top. It looks something like this. And for the final finishing, I'm going to spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol. And now we are just going to leave the soap to set for the next 12 to 18 hours, and then we will unmold the soap. Okay, so here I have gone ahead and kept the soap for almost 12 to 15 hours for drying, and our soap is completely ready to unmold. It's left to the sides, so we'll go ahead and quickly unmold our soap. Okay, so I've gone ahead and this is unmolded beautifully, very nicely. Okay, so this is how the soap looks. Our rice milk soap, very nice, very beautiful. It has nicely dried up, and this is the final look of the soap. Okay, so as I said, this is how our soap looks, our rice milk soap. And if you like what I share with you all, if you like my videos, if you all want me to come up with different new skincare products, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you everyone.